Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change BMW 3 Series brake pads. First, safely lift your vehicle and remove the wheel. You'll need a jack stands, and a lug wrench. Once the wheel is off, locate the brake caliper and the two guide pins holding it in place. These pins secure the caliper over the rotor. Remember to work carefully and methodically throughout the process. Next, remove the two guide pins that hold the caliper in place. Use a wrench to loosen them, then carefully slide the caliper off the rotor. Be sure to support the caliper so it doesn't hang by the brake line, which could cause damage. Now, you can easily remove the old brake pads from the caliper bracket. Don't forget to disconnect the wear sensor. Now it's time to install your new brake pads. First, use a caliper compression tool to gently push the caliper piston back into its housing. This creates space for the thicker new pads. Insert the new pads into the caliper bracket, ensuring they fit snugly. Reconnect the new wear sensor, then carefully slide the caliper back over the rotor and secure it with the guide pins. Finally, reinstall the wheel and tighten the lug nuts to the correct torque. Before driving, pump the brake pedal repeatedly until it feels firm. This resets the caliper piston and ensures proper brake engagement. Check your brake fluid reservoir and add fluid if needed. Take a short, slow test drive in a safe area to confirm everything is working correctly. You've successfully changed your brake pads.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.